So just a quick video to say about my diet, the raw vegan diet I eat. I just wanted to say that I basically eat my heaviest meal kind of more or less in the afternoon, the early afternoon to like between 12 and 4 o'clock, maybe between 12 and 3, and maybe between 1 and 3 usually, and because that's in the morning time, waking up from your dry fast of sleep, so your digestive system spends like time to wake up, and then before the last like 5 hours, 4 or 5 hours before sleep, your digestive system is like winding down. So yeah, I'm just feeling great eating raw food again, raw, unfired, sun-fired, living, raw, sun-fired food, Mother Earth cooked, prepared food, the last 2.5 weeks or more. And every 2 or 3 days I just like feel even better than I did the previous 2 or 3 days. It's just great. I highly recommend it so much. It's a gift and a blessing to you. It's protecting and saving your life, so you live long and old and happy and healthy till your 80s and 90s and 100s. That's what everyone I look at who be long-term raw vegan eaters. They're blossoming and thriving, full of energy and brain, mental articulation and wellness and great recall memory. They're speaking like they're teenagers or under 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 years young, 20, 25, 30, even if they're in like 70s, 80s or 90s. So the plan, that's the plan, and it's good to look after yourself for you and your children and for your mood and happiness. And I find I'm more like jokey, smiley, playful, silly, laughing, and just giggler, better giggly mood. It's so good. You should really do it. And coupled with not overeating and eating in moderation, it's just phenomenal. So I have to recommend that to you. It's my job and my duty. Have a great day. Lots of love.